more amazing mask, we need egg, 1 full egg, we need Vaseline, and we need rice flour. I'll come back to rice flour because someone sent me an email about rice flour. So to do this, we need an entire egg, both the egg white and the yolk of the egg. Now, the egg white will help to tighten up the pores, tighten up your skin. The egg yolk in here is extra protein added to your skin. However, your skin needs protein to make it subtle. So egg yolk is loaded with a whole lot of vitamin A. So while you are tightening up your skin with egg white, you are also giving your skin extra protein. And this is why we're going to be using both the inside and the egg white. The next thing we need here is Vaseline. So Vaseline has been used by our great-great-grandparents for centuries and centuries ago. It is considered non-comedogenic, which means it will not clog your pores. However, if you think that Vaseline will not work for you, please skip this recipe. Disclaimer, I have been using Vaseline on my skin forever and ever, and so many generations of the Asians have also used Vaseline on their skin. So what we're going to do here is I will add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline in here, and you want to beat them together. The next thing you want to add is rice flour. You don't really need to go to the store to purchase rice flour. Use the rice you have at home and use a dry bullet or blender to come up with rice flour. Rice flour is amazing. It also helps to tighten up your skin and brighten up your skin. Asian people have used a whole lot of rice flour on their skin to achieve glass skin. So you want to mix it all together. And if you feel that the consistency is too watery for you, go ahead and add extra. It doesn't really hurt to add extra of anything. So you want to bring it to the consistency of this paste. And you're going to start applying. Now I love to use flat brush so that I can get to the corners of my eyes area. I'm gonna use starting right under your eyes to tighten up the skin. And this is why I love to use the flat brush. I don't like to use my fingers because this is very slimy. You don't want to use your finger to do this. Anything I apply on my face, I like to really bring it down to my neck area, because we have wrinkles on the neck. You also want to avoid the turkey neck. Yes. you're gonna make sure that you cover your entire face and your neck area, neck and chest. And you are going to wait for about 20 minutes for this to dry on your skin. So let's keep waiting. I feel like a zombie, like my face is so like glued together, like a zombie, you know what I mean? I can barely talk. I'm even forcing myself to talk to you guys. Yeah, so it's time to go wash it off after 20 minutes. So let's go wash it off. Ooh. So guys, you can see my face is glazy and shiny after using this. No wonder the Asian people have glass skin. Clear, clean, smooth. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the video. Bye.